on 18th of May 2009, the curtains finally fell. 26-year and crippling civil war in Sri Lanka. The challenges of post-war reconstruction and rehabilitation were many and daunting. Lives and livelihoods were torn apart. Critical infrastructure like schools, marketplaces, and public offices were destroyed and pockmarked by shells and bullets. Large numbers of internally displaced people were limping back, hoping to pick the threads of their lives again and welcome a new dawn. For a democracy which got a new lease of life, the defining challenge was to rebuild the trust between state and citizens. How to ensure people's priorities, needs, and aspirations are reflected in government policies, budgets, and programs. The Asia Foundation, with financial support from the Government of Australia, turned to technology to explore a new pathway to systematically collect citizen feedback on public services. The Electronic Citizen Report Card is a novel and innovative tool to seek public feedback on public services on indicators like availability, access, and usage of services, reliability and quality, and overall satisfaction. The Electronic Citizen Report Card consists of 3 modules. An Android-based mobile application captures data from field through household interviews. A web-based survey monitoring tool monitors the quality of data captured in real time through the World Wide Web. And an analytical dashboard processes and reports data along different points: gender, ethnicity, spatial, and service-wise. The application of citizen feedback tools in post-conflict contexts like that of Sri Lanka reiterates the importance of state building through state institutions. It also highlights the need for constructive engagement. Why reformist leaders, informed citizens, and committed executives need to come together for the larger public good. The Electronic Citizen Report Card in Sri Lanka was conceived and implemented as a partnership, with the state leading the role of facilitating information collection and reporting. Tools like the Electronic Citizen Report Card bring a lot of rigor and objectivity to the narrative on local governance. In Sri Lanka, in 9 pilot locations spread over all the 9 provinces, Electronic Citizen Report Cards are helping decision makers hear unbiased voices that indicate areas of concern and priorities to address. For both citizens and the service providers, this was a very novel experience.
ऑनलाइन सिस्टम එක තමයි පාවිච්චි කරේ. ඒක ගොඩක් වටිනවා. ඒක කියන්නේ දැන් දියුණු තාක්ෂණෙත් එක්ක ටක් ගාලා ඒ හෙඩ් ඔෆිසර්ස් වලට ඒවා යනවා. ඇත්තටම හොඳයි ඉතින්.
உள்ளூர் மன்றத்துல இருந்து வந்தவங்க டப் மூலமா தான் நியூஸ் எடுத்தவங்க. அதை எடுத்ததால இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் திருப்தி இருக்கு.
මිනිස්සුන්ගේ ප්‍රජාවගේ ඒ අදහස් උදහස් අපිට දැනගෙන මේ ඒසියා ෆවුන්ඩේෂන් එක
මිනිස්සු ළඟට ගිහිල්ලා මිනිස්සුන්ගේ අදහස් යෝජනා අරගෙන තමයි අපි මේ කටයුත්ත පළමු වතාව.
Electronic citizen report cards are playing a key role in influencing local government budgets. ECRC, implemented in the 9 pilot local governments, have clearly identified what services need to be improved on a priority basis. It is helping decision makers allocate resources based on actual needs and priorities. ECRCs also go beyond mere service provision. They strengthen local democracy. They bring institutions of state closer to people. They highlight the need for accountability and responsiveness, and they bring in a new vocabulary of engagement between state and citizens.